Hello friends, welcome back to my quarantine kitchen. I'm Coach Sarah with Araya Hope Health, and today I hope to bring you some hope and some encouragement from my quarantine kitchen to yours. We have an awesome collaboration going on with some amazing YouTube friends, and I want to let you guys know that we plan on doing this every other week. And on the off weeks, guess what? There is going to be a live video on YouTube with my friends Claire at Cookie Crumb Fun and my friend Katie with Ironheart Mama. And they're sponsoring this whole YouTube collaboration, so be sure to follow them and subscribe to their channels. Be sure to watch them on Monday night next week, 8 p.m. Central. There will be a giveaway, so you do not want to miss that. All right, guys, so how's it been going? How is your quarantine kitchen going? I know it's been a little bit crazy around here with family and more dishes. Do you guys have more dishes? Please tell me you do, or is it just me? We have 10 people living here right now. And that would be my parents, they live in our basement, and then my sister lives in the basement right now until she gets married in October, and her fiance is staying with us as well while we're quarantined. So then that leaves me, my husband, and our 4 kids who are still at home. And so that's 10 of us. We have a lot of mouths to feed. It means a lot of dishes are dirtied, and well, it's fun and also a little bit chaotic. So let me know what types of things you'd like to see from my kitchen that can help you and inspire you to do great in your quarantine kitchen. Today, I'm gonna share with you my pantry. So one of the biggest things that I've noticed in this quarantine is that I might not be able to buy the exact same products where I might have brand loyalty. Now, why is that tricky and frustrating? Well, I've read all the labels, and so I know what's in them, and I know if we like them, and so there's some simple basic ingredients that now I have to check the labels. So that's my first tip to you guys. If you can't find something that is your traditional staple, then find a substitution, but just read the label. Make sure that you're reading those labels. Is there junk in there? Is there sugar in there? Be on the lookout for it. Because right now, even though we're in quarantine, there is no better time to eat on plan than now. And let me encourage you with that, because did you know that your immune system is lowered by 70% when you eat sugar? 70%, you guys. Now is not the time to have a vulnerable immunity system. We need to build our immune systems and become stronger. So one way you can do that is with Baobab. And so I thought I'd quick show you how to make Baobab milk. And if you follow along and listen to the podcast, you'll know that Serene had mentioned it in the podcast that she's coming out with one. This is a very basic one. I like it. I think you'll like it. I thought I'd show it to you guys. It's something that I'm gonna be definitely adding in daily while we're in quarantine, while we're trying to build and increase our immune systems to become stronger and better. We are going to make Baobab milk, and I've got my blender out, and I'm gonna show you. So easy, 3 ingredients, blend, serve, ready to go. You either need almond milk or milkadamia, whichever you prefer. Today I'm gonna use milkadamia. I'm going to add 1 cup. So I'm just gonna measure it straight in the blender. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Baobab. See how easy this is, my friends? 1 donk of stevia. If you're like chili and lime, nope, this is my stevia powder. You can see 1 donk. Now we're gonna blend it. All right, time to serve. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, so here I have my milkadamia version of Baobab milk. Super easy. Let's try it. Oh, it's so good. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna show you my pantry. I'm gonna show you the products that I do have, some of the things that I've had to swap out, but mostly I've been able to find everything that we need here and just a few modifications. What kinds of things are you having to modify? Comment below and let me know. Also, THM has their Immune Boost Pack still on sale, so you can still catch that deal. I'll post it in the comments for the collagen, Baobab, and their whey protein. Awesome deal, you guys. All right, well, let's take a look in the fridge and see what we've got. Another thing, this turkey breast, I like it, but my favorite one is the Hillshire Farms, and right now I can't find it, so this is taking its place. This is our hallway that goes to the formal dining area, and instead of putting a little hutch here, we actually put in a freezer and a full-size refrigerator. Okay, you can see we have frozen fruit, and we try to keep a lot of frozen fruit. We also keep our bread in the freezer, so the kids really like this one, so I have that in there. And then we have some frozen meat in here, but not too much. This is kind of the quick grab freezer. Some frozen broccoli and green beans. And we have some frozen salmon and butternut squash. And some more frozen bread. Still have some frozen cranberries. This is our deep freezer that we have in our mudroom. And you can see that we actually keep a lot of meat in here because we usually buy a quarter of a cow at a time. But this is a whole bunch of things that we've got going on in here. So you can see we have a lot of ground beef, and there's meat sticks, there's different cuts of meat, and all of these containers of tinfoil. My husband smokes a lot of meat, and so when he's done smoking it, he freezes it, and then we can eat it quickly instead of, it takes quite a while to smoke meat, so it's a quick process when we just have to thaw it. Then we have lots of chicken, and of course, ice cream, because gotta make some Trim Healthy Mama ice cream. And then we have some more chicken, and this is actually lean turkey that I get. Let's see if I can show you one. Yeah, I buy the very lean, 99% fat-free. Then I have salmon, more chicken, and I get the Joseph's tortillas, and then I freeze them. So they're in here if we need that. All right, and then we have some grass-fed beef patties, some sausage. There's some more Ezekiel bread, just some more meat, and lots of okra. Don't want to run out of okra, and some more veggies. We also have a little produce corner. My husband found these. I don't know why they're in the fruit corner. They're actually a pantry item, but hey, here they are. They look good. And anytime you need to get a new product, I just quick check the ingredients. So this is just apples. This is fine. I would feed this more to the kids than eat it for myself, but it might be a special treat for me. And if you checked out my last video, you know I was praying to find this very flour. And as you can see, I found it, and I can go through one bag very, very quickly, especially with making the sprouted creations that we've been making, like pizzas and cinnamon rolls and all those fun things. So we have a little bit of a stock now, so I feel good. I can make my sprouted bread. So you will notice starting on the top shelf, I put the applesauce and the little pouchies for my son up there because otherwise he will eat them all. This is my absolute favorite peanut butter. I love Power O's. They're made from beans. Those are awesome. And then there's some pecans and walnuts, some popcorn, moon cheese. And if you guys haven't tried these sprouted pretzels, sprouted, these are really good. My Trim Healthy noodles, there's some more up there too, and rice. I got my Chomps turkey sticks. These make an awesome They go, or fuel pull, but I love it because you can just throw these in your purse. I always have Chomps on hand. Easy grab and go. Taco shells I get for my kids. I don't eat those. I do a salad usually, occasionally maybe a low carb tortilla. And then I don't typically buy this brand of shredded coconut, but it is the only one I could find right now. So sometimes we have to just make substitutions, and right now that's happening, and that's okay. Here's some more turkey sticks, but these are like different flavors. So this one is this the crankin' cranberry? Oh yes, very spicy, guys. Crankin' cranberry I thought was gonna have a little sweet taste. No, it's so spicy. Oh, slap your mama, you guys. This stuff's so good. If you have not tried this seasoning, you should look for it. Hey buddy! Got some potatoes that'll feed to the family as a crossover. And then chicken broth. Then I buy the big container of brown rice from Costco. And then we've got some nuts back there too. So just snacking nuts for the kids. They like to grab stuff and go, you know, make it easy. There's some flax to make baked goods. I love baking. And then here's some chicken stock. This is the bread flour that I get to feed my starter. What is it? Do you want to tell him? What is that? Tomato. That's right. Good job, buddy. So smart.
Tomatoes.
2 tomatoes. That's right.
Tomatoes.
That's right. And this is my assistant. This one is for actually baking. So that's the one I use to bake. And I just have to point out. So my kids will find these things. You have to hide this, guys, like in an okra bag, because somebody put this back. Yeah, there's nothing in it. It's completely empty. This is just wrong. So sad. I was gonna quick point out is this is a new to me tomato paste that they have at Costco right now, and you can see it's just the tomato, so it's totally fine. But anytime you're dealing with swapping out a product for something else, you just need to check the label and make sure they're not hiding anything in there. They didn't add any sugars. You can see my interior decorator has redecorated already. That happens around here a lot. And we just found these at Costco today. So these are actually spiked tea, spiked lemonade, spiked coconut, and then some spiked sparkling water. So if you are someone who is looking for a little kick during this quarantine, these are actually sweetened with erythritol, and they have 0 net carbs. This is where I house my Trim Healthy Mama. Then I have some avocado spray and my collagen. I actually ran out of whey. That's very tragic, but I have some flavored whey, so that'll be okay. That's my MCT back there. And then I've got some Baked Believe chocolate chips, baking blend. There's another thing of it back there. Super sweet Baobab. This is my go-to chocolate cocoa powder. I love this one. I get it at Costco. Then I've got oat fiber. Here's some strawberry. Up here we have the Gloopy. I also get some ashwagandha root powder. There's some peanut flour. This is the matcha tea I get from Costco. There's some other spices back there, and then you can see my collection of extracts. Is my favorite coffee, and I will link this in the description in case you're interested. It does have health benefits. It contains lion's mane and chaga mushrooms, which are really good for you. Thank you so much for joining me in my quarantine kitchen. I hope you've been encouraged and blessed today. And I just like to take a minute to say a prayer for you. Father God, thank you for the amazing group of people who are watching this video. I pray that you would bless them, strengthen them, and encourage them, and help them to have strong immune systems as we tackle this pandemic together, God. We know that we can't do it without you. We give you the praise, we give you the glory, and we put our trust in you. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, fellow brothers, sisters, go out and seize the day. Do the best you can. Be a blessing to those around you. Love your family. Hug your littles.
If you like my mom's video, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!